Welcome guys, hey! Welcome everyone, good morning, happy to see you. How are you doing, fellas? How are you today? Welcome guys. Like the video, let's get this one actually moving slightly above 25,000 here for the Nasdaq. Let me just quickly share the presentation. As usually, in all the trading groups, we are live. Let's go 75 grand. Let's go guys, come on. Morning, evening. Welcome chat. I've been waiting for the banners to be ready. I prepared new banners for you guys. Let me change the banners right now. Oh, look at that at the top. You can see the new banner at the top. You can see the new banner at the top. And I'm changing the one from the bottom right now. Look at that. Boom, there you go. Wow, beautiful, right? Beautiful, welcome chat, happy to see you. Make sure to like the video so we can get the numbers going. We can get the wheel spinning. Exactly. Halloween, along with incredible discounts, like crazy discounts out there. Make sure to get the numbers going, guys. Come on. Still waiting on my payout for the Ticktick trader. The accounts are still paused. Requested the payout yesterday, right? And I'm still waiting. They're paused. The money is still inside the account. 5 accounts, $10,000, and then ready to start transitioning to live. I want to trade live. I just cannot wait like this. This is something that I'm not good at. Come on. Right, so by the way, Ticktick Trader is running an incredible discount for the straight to funded plus accounts. Like it's stated, $280 per account, maximum 10 active at the same time. You can have plus 5%, which is an additional $35 if you're using crypto to pay or Skrill. Right, so there's a lot going on. And then we got Tap on Futures with their 6 months in business anniversary. I'm gonna publish a video on this one today on my channel. 6 months in business. Not trading gold. Not trading gold. Thank you guys. Thank you, Lindsay. I'm trading the Nasdaq for the moment. Gold is having an amazing time yet once again today. We managed to do all-time high. We managed to get to 260s. It's just crazy, guys. Hello, good morning. It's just insane. Let's look at the daily candlesticks for gold. I mean, look at that. So basically, gold in 57 days, it has 26%, guys. That's 0.5% a day. This is how much gold paid you. In the last 57 days, you had 26% increase on gold. This is exponential growth. I would love to see something like this coming through. Nice consolidation phase, little distribution back and forth. Have some movements below 400s. Nasdaq is not looking bad at all. Certainly not. If we do something like this for Nasdaq, then we might see a stronger correction coming through all the way back to the 200 EMA blue line. So if we see something like this in the upcoming months, the risk is there. And then of course a market continuation. This is where we are, guys. Thinking about testing out a little short here on my
Order
Top 1
filled.
Futures Ignite accounts. Oh, you've lost many accounts today because of gold. That's bad news. Certainly bad news. But the good part is that the market of offers and the prop firms have crazy discount. So we've got $280 for the Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. We also have the, oh, look at the market.
Order filled.
Oh! What happened, guys? We had some news coming out. We touched a daily loss of 1,000. We had the loss there. But the market spiked 40 points. What kind of news did we had, guys? There must be something going on. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, we have the stop loss at $1,000. We always have it there. Nah, we have the third loss this month. The stop loss is at $1,000. Now I came in late in my office and didn't have time to check anything around the corner. I came in very late in my office and I started today's live stream without considering anything prior. Without doing my proper research that I do every day, every time before we start. I don't set it on the trade. I never set it on the trade. My stop loss is always in the settings on the dashboard. That's where my settings is. Here's right. I have a global stop loss at $1,000, guys. I'm not using let's just clear up this guy, boys, and then set up the copy trader for the other. Oh my god. I came in very late. Very late. This is my bad because I came in very late today in the office. No time to verify anything prior to that. No time to look into the news at all. Wow. For those of you that have joined fresh, make sure to join our Discord. 1 day away from payout on Savius. Well, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. They're also running a 60% off right now. 60% off, so it's $256. I'm 2 days away from Savius. I'm hoping to get back. Yesterday we were just 1 day away.
Order filled.
Opening a little short here. Yeah, Friday is more difficult, guys. Monday and Friday for me is the most difficult. Pretty strong to the upside for the moment.
Order filled.
I've sold the contract. Reducing the exposure. Pretty interesting, guys. I had to reduce the exposure here. Not that friendly with the market makers these days. Thought we get some liquidity from the wick down before we take it to the upside. Get into this level, but looks like no. Make sure to like the video, guys. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. And massive discounts pretty much everywhere. Ticktick Trader, Tap 1 Futures, and Savius. All these guys are running incredible discounts. Incredible. Thinking about
Order
reshorting
filled.
this. For some nice liquidity game around the corner. Come on, bring it down. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, for Savius, here's the link for Savius, 60% off code Scrambo at the checkout, right? 256. The $150,000 account is 256 bucks. Payout is 2,700. Right, so it's convenient, I would say. You just have to be very careful with daily loss. You don't want to touch the daily loss. Put a stop loss before that because it's a hard breach. So you can make it in a soft breach, but you have to put a stop loss before, right? And it becomes a soft breach. Yeah, 5%. 5% is the target, which is less than Tap 1 Futures, for example. I don't like this trade. This 1 minute candle we had here is seeking for market continuation. If we don't get a denial before it ends, I'm out
Order
of this
filled.
trade. This is not good. 963. We are down on both groups because I'm copy trading this Ignite accounts. Copy trading this, we got 6 Ignites. We got 2 groups. One is involving 2 accounts. The other is having 4 accounts. So. No, I'm not in the business, not in the game today. I'm not feeling my bread and butter. For some reason. I came in too late, guys, for the whole thing. Usually I am doing my pre-trading technicals and all that stuff, and I prepare for the whole thing. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. But today, that thing has been missed. I didn't even knew we got news. You know, the problem with the Ignite accounts is we got to make so much money here to get to the payout. Like, you know, we have a lot of green days and we're sitting positive and we are profitable. but we're still not able to go for the payout because of the equity stability score, and you guys know that. Let's put it that way. Giveaway starts soon on live. Let's trade some Savius right now. Yeah, I need to do a lot. I need to do for the payout more than $9,000 because of the equity stability score without crossing $500. Without crossing 500 bucks, I need to achieve like $9,000 in the portfolio. But I'm trading those ones without too much incentive. Because the payout is $1,000, think about it. They're Ignite accounts. These accounts are no longer available, by the way. I think it's pretty hard for the company to sell this kind of accounts. We're touching a supply here, so I'm thinking about a possible short-term reversal. We have this account on Savius, which is kind of 2 days away from the payout. We're always trading the $1,500 level. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. We're trading the Savius. Let me change one of the banners. For example, I'm going to change and have the banner with a Savius. There you go. I just put the banner with the Savius at the bottom. 150,000 straight to fund. That is 256 bucks with a payout of 2,700. It's actually 3,000 what you're requesting, but you get 90%. Testing out a little short here. A little short on the Nasdaq. Adding more to this if it wants to go higher. Right, so we got 4 contracts filled up. Yeah, you got to join the Discord. You got to be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, with great giveaways and a beautiful community with educational projections. Like, this is the priority we have. Looks like we're getting aggressive here. But I still think we followed a pattern of breakout and then pulls back. So I'm adding a little more here. This pattern, guys. Opening bell. I'm sorry for that. We don't have any opening bell for the moment. Look at that. Right? Every time we took the high, market's totally reversed. I mean, it had a few red candles and the 5-minute pulling back every time we took the high. I'm trading on the same pattern we had today across the board. Come on guys, let's bring in those numbers. Like the video. If you want to be part of the giveaway, which starts a little later, you gotta like the video. You know, if we look into the hourly, we have a level around 113, which is interesting. And looks like the selling pressure is missing for the moment. I'd like to see if we get something around 100s. If we don't, I am happy to cut my position. I'd like to see if we get something from this level. I'm not requesting much. Come on, give me that flush. 3 red candles in a row here would be sufficient. I'm also going pretty quickly on break even. We're pretty exposed, right? We're break even right now. And the target has been touched, ladies and gentlemen. 1,486. Celebration time. We actually made money where it matters the most, because this is the place where you only need one more day for the payout on Savius accounts. Boom. There you go. There you go, guys. I've told you earlier what I'm trading. On the 15 minutes. Around the 5 minute, we had it. I told you. We've always pulled back. We've always pulled back. We've always pulled back after taking the highs. That was very important, this 1,500 back here, because it sets me nicely in a comfortable position. Very important, guys. Thank you. Yeah. I'm not going to cross 1,500, and we still need for the 10 days, right? So we still have to trade a little more. But as a major winning day, it's just one more day. Right, so we only have a single major day of 1,500, and then the rest of the days are needed because you need 10 days. For Savius, you definitely need 10 trading days. Exactly, that's great. And I've said it quickly, we have to put the stop loss break even because the buying pressure is high, and the markets, simply because we're sitting near to a pivot point that sits on 115, we could actually get to that 115. It's this one. You could actually attack that one at the top. You can take the high of that, so it's attracting the price action right now. I've been in a short, making money from a short. In a such situation, obviously you got to protect yourself against something that could be triggered at any point, being way more powerful than what you're trading. And this means to trade and trying to make money against the trend. If you're trying to make money against the trend because you're discovering a signal for a micro 1 minute possibility to speculate something, you as quickly have to be positioning against the dominant trend of those situations with a break even, right? So you do not leave that much flexibility in those situations because the pressure is not yours, the one that is the main dominance. You don't want to be leaving any room for losses in this case scenario. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys. Join the Discord. Let's get back to our Savius account. So we have 155,500. We still have to make a little more here, but I only need one more day of 1,500, and then I still need to trade and have another, maybe 3 days or 4 days of trading, something like that. I have to check the dashboard area. But the most important part is I just have to make like 100 or 200 bucks, maybe daily, and we're fine for the payout. We have to bring this one all the way into 157,500, about $2,000 from here. Look at that one, guys. Look at this one. Look at this one. I prepared something for you. Look at the account we're about to trade. I bought this account today. I bought this one today. Look at that. We're sitting on $300,000. I got this one ready for you guys. I know you're looking for 30 minis. You guys want 30 minis, but how much does it cost? So it's 560 bucks, a 300 grand account with a $4,100 payout. How much do you spend in each trade? Like time? How much money? Sizing? Depends. We cannot gamble this one. We cannot YOLO. We spend more than 500 bucks for this $300,000 account. We cannot YOLO. It's not an evaluation, right? It's not an eval. I've used 9 minis. 9 minis, that's what I used. $4,000 daily loss limit and $12,000 max loss. Yeah. 12 grand max loss. And you gotta do 5%. Good job, Quantum. Good job, guys. Yeah, for those of you that would like to spin the wheel, and you might be winning a promotion, here's the link for the Ticktick Trader. You can spin the wheel. That's the link right there. I've done that in the past. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I've hit my target during those days with the Ticktick Trader. We were making money and I was pretty much excited on that one. But to throw away $500 on an account, I would buy something for 50 bucks and maybe have a different approach, but at $500 is a little too much to gamble. I think you certainly agree with me, guys. Indeed. Keep an eye on me. I'm not gonna cross 30 minis. That's the limit, guys. Gambling starts about 30 minis. Plus, some of the members we have here do not know when we are playing games or when we are serious. And some guys might get confused that we are retarded in trading, which is definitely not something I'd like to be at all. Alright guys, make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring in those numbers. There's not going to be 30 minis. Even though. How to trade on Prime XBT. Prime XBT is a cryptocurrency exchange. I'm not trading there anymore. I traded there like 5-6 years ago. You see, guys, I brought up the account and have not opened any position for a while because I'm waiting for the perfect moment. If I would have gambled, I wouldn't sit even a minute without having an active trade. You know that feeling. When you gamble, you just open up the whole dashboard and you put the trade right away. You don't care about anything. It's one way or the other. And some people say your chances are 50-50, but it's not right. 50-50. It's not 50 or 50, right? Because the bulls might have a stronger domination possibility, so it's not 50. Or the bears might have a stronger possibility of dominating. Depends. You have to measure the strength. The strength is not fixed. Strength is having a dynamic perspective. Exactly. I mean, look at that. Every single moment I spend out of the market, we're making money, guys, by not losing. Very important. Just think about how many times that you guys wished you wouldn't have that trade. Think about it. So we're learning right now how to master discipline. Drinking a green tea. Cheers, everyone. We're waiting from this guys to be moved online, but this might be an opportunity of shorting here. And I'm not even doing with a lot of the contracts, just 2 minis on a 300k account. Putting the stop loss there and break even. Two minutes till we have a flat hourly opening. In the meantime, I'm waiting from this guys right here to drop me the live account. That's something all of you guys will follow and will enjoy. Let's just get out of this trade. We made our first $100. We're profitable. Savius, $150,000 account, $256 with a code Scrambo at the checkout. The link is, I'm sending you the links. Right, so we got a Discord there, and I'm sending you the Savius link. It's really exciting. Look at this one, guys. So this pricing is with 60% off. 60 off. Think about maximum 5 accounts per user. Like actively you can have 5 accounts. If you're going for the 5 accounts, 300k, copy trading them all. I mean, we should try to do this, guys. We should do this challenge. Look at that. I haven't got to a payout from a $300,000 account. But let's think about, if we do 5 of this and we copy trade all the 5, think about, at some point we will get to the payout, and we're gonna take 4,500 times 5, 22,500, guys, 22,500, but we only get 90%. That's still around 20 grand in payout in a single, and you can have 3 payouts before you're moved to live from the same account, so that's $60,000. Savius is giving you the opportunity for the 60 grand. Look at that one, guys, and it's 5% for the payout, right? It's not more than 5%. That's where the target is. Pretty interesting, I would say. That would be a hell of a challenge for me. Yeah. I've talked about those rules of micro scalping, high frequency, in my Discord. Tick scalping. We define the practice of tick scalping as a continuous trading style with less than 3 ticks per positive position. Right, so you have to trade with more than 3 ticks per positive position. At least 3 ticks. I think that's not bad. I think that's comfortable. About $376 is what I paid. $376. Payout 4,150 because it's 90 to 10, right? It's 4,500, and you get 4,150. The white chart time frame is 5 minutes, and the execution that I do is on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's better. 376 for a 300k. It's a really good pricing right now. It's a specific campaign. You know, everyone these days is coming out with massive discounts. As soon as the first company that are big boys do share massive discounts, quickly the other ones are also joining on board with these big ones. That's why we have Tap One, Ticktick Trader, and Savius. All of them are doing their biggest discounts possible. Could actually go a little lower, somewhere around 50s, right? Which is why I'm opening a short. Could actually go into the 50s. Like the reset is the same price like you would buy an account. That's the way you reset. With them, you have to buy a new account. It's straight to funded, yeah. 376 straight to funded 300k with a 4,150 pound is good, guys. That's the way you reset with this, guys, by buying a new one. Like the straight to funded accounts got so cheap. They're no longer $450 or $500 or $600, right? They're no longer under that pricing. And the difference between the challenges and the straight to funded got so small. So small. Think about the money you're making on the challenge would actually enough if you would do on the straight to funded for a payout. The same money. Just by paying, 50 or 80 bucks in extra or $100 in extra. The same job would actually take you to the payout. There's not going to be better deals like that. Around Savio's maximum is 60%. There's going to be 50, there's going to be 45, but the highest existence is 60%. Tap on futures is 55. Ticktick trader is the 60, 65. So these are the highest existing. Like it's yeah, on live they might allow you with 5 or... But on live is different, guys, because even with 3 minis on live, you can do something, right? Adding a little more here. Even with 3 minis on the New York session, you can do something. Like you can do $2,000-$3,000 in a day. Hey, good job. Free 50,000 straight to funded plus from the Ticktick event. Good job. Congratulations, buddy. I'm trading right now Savius with 1 tower. I don't think this is the most bullish situation. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video and join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory to be able to participate in the giveaways. I'm expecting previous 80s that actually was a temporary support to kind of reject. We got 10 minis active, guys. 10 minis active. Yes, the giveaway starts a little later after the New York market opens, and it's going to be here on the live stream. You'll have to guess numbers and play some games. 90%. Let us know, guys. If you win that 90%, let us know. Adding a little more to this, we have DC8. We've got 14 minis. And I'm expecting a pretty strong red candle engulfing 2 or 3 previous green ones, right? We have to make $3,000. That's how much we have to make in this account. $3 grand. Because we have to do this $3,000 5 times. That's my strategy. Nah, 90%? Nah. You guys want to pay 20 bucks for an instant funded account? I am never a trading ninja. Never, never, never. I'm searching Project X, which is my favorite. And then next to that, I'm searching for Quant Tower. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. So you guys want to have 20 bucks instant funded, right? We have 14 minis out here. Let's see if the market gives me the beautiful profit. Or do we have the market maker joining the live stream once again? What do you guys think about? We got 16 minis, 18 minis. We have DC'd a little bit here. Not requesting that much, just a little flush. I've spotted weakness, so 18 minis. Come on. Do something. The other way. What are you doing? You should have continued. You should have continued. I thought there is weakness. And we get a nice pullback. Let's see. We touched the 80s. So I'm wondering if we successfully converted 80s into a supply, a short-term supply. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring in those numbers. Keep going. That was a beautiful rejection. Yes. I don't have profits to take. I'm in a difficult situation. If we don't get rejected here, I'm gonna sell 10 contracts. Right, if we take this one into 80s once again, come on. I'll accept a partial loss, not a problem. And reshort the whole thing from higher levels if it's needed. You have to make it a soft breach. And you can make your hard breach into a soft breach by setting a stop loss prior to that. Right? So it do not needs to be touched. Like, you know, you can set your $300 away or $400 or $350. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, be subscribed. Come on. We got so much weakness around this level. But I don't see the bears stepping in the business and delivering. So I'm ready to close 10 minis. It's slowly laddering up. I just closed 10 minis. I had to do it, guys. I had to do it. Accepted $1,200 loss. And I'm waiting right now. Pretty good, guys. Added 2 contracts here. $3,764. It was weak, but the bears were totally missing. Let's see, there's still $250, $200 here, like $150 to test out things. $150. We're gonna play with that, right? I have not been using them. What are we up to? Did expect it from this level to give me something, and we might get it, guys. But we just went past that. We went up to 89, 88. We might get something from that level. I'm not risking it. It's not worth it. There's so much. There is $8,000 drawdown in the account. 8,000 left. Not worth to be risked. I got a second one, guys. A brand new one more. We got another one. Fresh. Out of the oven. Fresh out of the oven. 300 grand. Continuing our journey. Don't worry about it, guys. Look at that. This is my short I've been talking about. This is the short I've been talking about that has not been given. Watch this one, guys. Watch the charts here. What did I told you about this top? What did I told you? Expecting the market to reject here. What's happening? These are all funded accounts. Look at this, guys. This is the problem by streaming. Market makers can nicely see the video, guys, and then they're smashing you in the face. Look at that. It's the right proof. We're joking. But this is reality. The market is dumping as expected. We had a nice short and we've lost. We touched the daily loss limit. Yeah, the execution was not perfect. But that would be without any adrenaline to do this trading perfectly, right? That would be boring. That would be lack of incentive. Yeah. Like the video, guys. Come on. Bring up the volume. When it comes down to this drawdown, as you see, you gotta stop a little bit earlier. So just leave some room, guys. If you buy the 150K, do not cross 1,700. And you have to count it. You have 2,000 your limit, but you say 1,700, so $300 for the extra numbers there, commissions and stuff. And you should be fine with that. No, we had a great entry that has not been materialized. Daily loss limit is $4,000 on the 300K, and on 150K is half of that, so it's, you know, this is a scammer. We're gonna ban this guy. 7 days ban. No, 7 days ban. We're banning forever, but we're also deleting all the posts made for the last 7 days. First warning. He's out. He's out. Interesting reaction here, guys. Market opens in about 6 minutes. Beautiful, guys. Oh, congratulations, Loki. Great job. Great job, buddy. So the 50K account the 50K is $800. So you have to put your stop loss at 600. We're gonna do the fireworks, Loki. The most important thing right now in my journey is to get that live trading on Ticktick Trader. And we have $2,000 to be made on the 150k Savius accounts, and we're good to go for a nice payout on that one too. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We're opening in 4 minutes. Putting the chart up once again. Look at this one, guys. I told you. This short right here. From this point. What a beautiful setup. Fake out. Pulling back, bouncing. All the way into the trap. And then running on a continuation. Wow. And they wiped me out. They actually hit my daily stop loss. I don't feel about longing this, certainly. Let's see. I'm going to be pretty careful here. We got 3 minutes to go, but I'm shorting the markets. I think this is going to bleed into the opening. Let's wait and see. We got 5 minutes short. 7 minutes short. Yeah, I'd love to take this thing whole. Stop loss and break even. Stop loss is on break even. 7 minis. Look at that one, guys. I also set my target. This way you can see it. Look at that. Come on. Stop loss and break even. No. Don't you dare to touch my... Oh my god. We made $28 on that. We had a decent short, guys. A beautiful nosedive expected there. It didn't came. But this is why you put a break even. Thank you guys for joining. You know, I can do right now a stop loss like this. One minute to go. But this is just 2 minis. Organizing. We might take this one all the way into 25,000, guys. Watch that one, all the way into 25,000. 30 seconds to go. $15 seconds to go. I'm targeting the 25,000. 10 seconds to go. And we have the opening bell. Bring it down, baby. Stop loss on break even. We touched the stop loss. And now it might fall. Look at that. We put the stop loss on break even. We have 36 bucks. Testing out a little short here with a stop loss above. Now we've touched that. 360 loss. Our take profit was in the ground. But this is having a different opening than we're talking about, guys. Look at that. We're actually engulfing the previous 5-minute candle. I don't know if this candle has the ability to just climb like this forever. Nvidia having a nice gap above the daily volume with an average price. Gold is having no problems. Like 8 minutes ago, it was all-time high once again. Oh my god, look at the Nasdaq, guys. Nasdaq is hungry, guys. Well, Nasdaq is hungry. It just broke above. It just broke above. Testing a couple of contracts for the upside. Right? I think they're going to take some liquidity from the upside. They should break. They should take way more liquidity here. They can't take 3 points and stop there. I'm leaving this one open for the moment. This is, you know, pretty wild, right? They only took 3 points. We don't have a wick. 3 points to the upside and it's dumping. I think they're going to bring it back. No wick has been given. Wanted about $300, $400, $500 there. Added one more to this. S&P getting back to the daily opening. And we'll see what's going to happen there. Adding a little more to this. We might be capable holding through digesting the selling pressure here around the 80s. Converting that level we talked about in the past about it, right? Come on. We got you. Well, we're pretty tight with a stop loss there. This is not looking good. It's probably going to get hit, right? Yeah. S&P is taking us down. And we got this one hit as well, 3,800 down. Beautiful. Moving on to the next 300k. The third 300k. 2 got the daily loss. 1, 150k. Got nicely under target, bringing us close to 2 grand for the payout. Nasdaq wants to hold, but the S&P is thinking about something else. Beautiful. As soon as S&P is giving us some relief, we're moving, guys. We just got to get that relief coming from the S&P. That's the trouble. Adding 2 contracts at this pretty promising level. Two more. Sitting on 4. Two more. Little relief here. It gives us enough. Putting the break even, guys, and now we just have to wait. We just have to wait and let the markets print. Give me that 94. Don't be silly. Come on, Nasdaq. Look at that one. Pretty close to my break even. As soon as we turn this candle red, I'm gonna be out. Right? If we have a double rejection like that, I just moved my trailing. We made $546. It's not bad. We made some money with that one. $546. But the S&P looks pretty better. Much better, actually. Would be an interesting retest all the way around this level, which is around the 60s. That's an interesting point. And now send it back to a decent level of 100. 40 points. We got this opening range. Nah. Adding a little more to this here. Are we gonna get cooked? I sold 2 contracts. And as soon as this candle turns red, I'm selling the whole thing. Right? If this turns red, I'm out. I exited 2 contracts nearly to my opening. We're still profitable. If we break... I actually sold another contract, so we only have a single position open. 185 bucks in profit. We just took the low of the opening. Stop loss and break even. Look at that one. They brought it down there. What a silly price action, right? Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring in those numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. We're trading on Savius 60% off. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm out for the moment. 390 profit for the moment. I don't like this. 390 bucks profit here. Giveaway starts soon, guys. You gotta like the video, you gotta be subscribed, and join our Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, having a lot of the YouTube videos, a great community, pretty much back and forth. And look at that, what we're getting here. Look at the 5-minute candlesticks here, guys. They brought it down below the opening. And now it's ripping off. Rips to the upside, look at that. What a miserable. Pretty bullish from the way it looks like today. Do we have any announcement from Trump today? 2 p.m. EST time or 3 p.m. something like that, I don't know. You guys have to verify. Do we have something going on today a little later? I don't trade gold, I trade cryptos a lot. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at that one, guys. Nicely going up. And the opening bell, you have it here with Quantower. Another opening bell. Just to wake up, we're pumping. You gotta wake up, guys. We are pumping. I think this is running higher, and the pattern we had is no longer going to be respected. You know, we're having 2 minis out here, not a problem. 4. Unless it dies, but I think it's going higher. We took the previous structure high from yesterday, sitting around 115. And I might nicely catch the top once again today. Let's see if I have the ability twice to catch the top. Breaking higher, and I'm seeking continuation. If there's anything like that. Or do I trade twice the very top? Oh my god. This is just crazy, guys. Look at that. My god. This is totally nuts. We just brought it there to dump 50 points on me. I just traded twice, basically. Look at that. It was just a non-stop fixed reversals. Somewhere around 140s, 150s at least. At least 140s, 150. But now it's pretty nasty. That was pretty nasty. The good part is the drawdown is 12 grand. Because these are big accounts, right? Look at a pretty nasty Nasdaq. Laddering up, taking the high. And missing that nice 150s. So then the 4 hour is not healthy at all. Are they going to bring it back to the top from here? Still have about 500 bucks there. Nah. We're dead. Look at that. There's some pressure. Yep. Look at that one. Could actually test out a little long here. With a $350 stop loss, right? Going for some $750. Stop loss and break even. Come on. Nah, the stop loss has been hit on break even. They're not really willing to give anything. Yeah, that's why I'm trading my Ticktick Top 1 futures and the serious accounts before. Look at that. Oh my god. As soon as we have a little bouncing here, I'm putting the break even. Such as now. Come on. We could absorb. We might absorb the sellers from here. There's a lot of the people shorting here. We might absorb them. Hence the price, our good folks. Above 85 wouldn't be bad. Wouldn't be bad. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join our Discord. Sort yourself out. A nice limit order around 90s for the moment. S&P is above the opening, guys. This could actually run even higher than this. Right below 100s. And I'm watching, right? I'm watching. Yeah, S&P looks good. Should run 20 more points. As long as we're allowed, we're gonna run. Beautiful. Keep going. Just a little more and I'm out. Beautiful, guys. We made $1,500 on that one. We're gonna celebrate. You know what? We're celebrating. We made $1,500. We were down $3,500 and now we're down $2,000. Boom. I told you, we were having $300, $250 from the daily loss limit that I have. We sold at the top of the wick. Sure, I know you talked about the market. S&P is once again below. Is not looking good, guys. I'm thinking about having a little short going on here. Let's see. S&P is not looking good. Are we going to get protected? Absorb the sellers once again at this level? What on earth is going on? I don't think, guys, but let's see. $3 minutes short. Let's go for the breakdown. Are they capable of absorbing this once again? Let's find it out, guys. 4 minutes short. Come on, pull the trigger. I'm setting my break even soon. As soon as we cross the previous wick we had here, I'm setting my break even. Look at that buying pressure. Like the daily opening is holding for the S&P. It's not good. I sold 2 contracts, accepted a partial loss. And I'm fully out. This is crazy, guys. What a price action. It's no longer falling heavily. Look at that. The S&P holds on the daily. Accepted another 1,000 loss. Going for 2 contracts here. Going for a long on 2 contracts here. Testing out if we can take that 105. Nah. Putting the stop right below that. Putting the stop right below that. Come on. Yep. And we touched the stop loss there. So that's it for the moment. S&P is still holding above the daily opening, but then the Nasdaq is something wild. Look at this price section. Time for something more exciting, guys. Time for something way more predictable, right? At least I am happy about that one account we had today on Savius, where we made money, and we brought it only $2,000 away from the payout, right? So we're close for that one on the payout. Time for Will. Stop trading today. It's something that is certainly not working. Look at that. Are they going to push this one back to the top right now? After simulating another kniff? They are simulating the cliffs. Alright guys, so listen. Do not write. That's why the New York opening is certainly where I do not perform anything close to what I perform on pre-markets. Much better. You see that on my Ticktick, you see that on my tap on the futures. Usually Savius comes right there with a New York opening, so I have to take it slow. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Do not write yet. We got the babies in the office. And the third thing, guys, you gotta join our Discord. We're gonna do $50,000 straight to fund that Simpro for the tap on futures. Wait. Do not. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers, guys. Come on. You can start right now. Let's go. You can start right now. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. We have someone guessing all the numbers. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Keep that in mind. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory. That's it. No more. That's it. No more, guys. You can stop right there. Beautiful. We're going to shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Spin the wheel, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go, guys. Come on. Spin the wheel. What do we have? This is the first giveaway. We have a double 5. Are we going to stop there? Or we pull this one through to 0? Are we going to stop on that green one? No, we're not going to stop. This is going to be a 0, guys. I'm telling you from now. Congratulations for the winners. This is going to be a 0. And there you go. There you have it. There you have it. Congratulations. That's going to be the 0. Market's still sitting around the 50s, 60s. Hey. Congratulations. Let's find it out. 30 guys out there amongst the winners. 30, guys. 1 minute competition time. 1 minute competition time. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. Congrats for the winners. Come on. Let's go. 2 cents is taking the lead. Zill with a police dock is dominating right now. Hola. What you doing, mate? Come on, guys. Beautiful. Hey. "15 seconds. Prop firm requirements. Look at that. And it's down. We actually shot him down. Meg. Bonnie. Congratulations, buddy. Number 4, we got you right there. Banu. There you go. Congratulations for the 25,000 Top 1 Futures Simpro account. Now for Ticktick Trader. Country restrictions. Do not join. Do not join for Ticktick Trader. Country restrictions. Keep that in mind. Do not join. Do not join. Do not join. Number 1 thing you gotta do is like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, do the things that you gotta do. Do the things that you gotta do. And you can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Now it's time to let me know your numbers. Come on, guys. Let's go. 50 grand Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus big money right there. You take this account and you bring it to the payout. Like our community members. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And we got you right there. Stop, no more. No more. That's it. No more. That's it. We're gonna shuffle 1, 2, 3 times, and we're good to go. Spin the wheel. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Stop guessing multiple times. It's pretty much silly. And it makes no sense. Only your first guess is accepted, guys, for those that are guessing multiple times. It doesn't matter what else you do. We got that number 2 on green, but we might go to the number 3, guys. But I think we're going to stop on that number 2 because I got the brake pedal here. Let's see if I can stop this. No, I cannot stop this. This is going to number 3. Congratulations for the winners, by the way. Beautiful. We got the blue one, just like the cup from the Ticktick Trader. Look at that. Hey. And let's take you to the duck race. Let's take you to the duck race. We had 30 winners on the first giveaway. And now, 31. Hey. 31 winners out there on the list competing for a minute. That's gonna be a hell of a fight. Start. Yeah. It's no longer functioning, right? Let's go. Who's out here? La Rosa, we got you over there. We got you, La Rosa. We got Jose Fernandez. We got Jamal. We got Happy Kids. Zill is once again on the list. What's happening with you, Zill? Look at the Matt. Matt is pushing, guys. Number 26. Matt is right there, dominating right now. He's supposed to sleep. He's supposed to sleep and focus. But he's going. for the big prize. Who's taking the lead, guys? I don't think number 30. You're not gonna win. Number 13, you're not gonna win. I told you, I got you shot. And we'll have Palooka Millie. Palooka Millie. Congratulations. Beautiful. Yeah. Come on, Matt. So we got Palooka Millie. Congratulations. Beautiful. 50K straight to Funded Plus Ticktick Trader account. Shout out to the entire community. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, for being with me here. We had a great time. We had a great time. We had a lot to learn. This is the #1 priority on our live streams, to learn, develop, become much better traders, persons, and improve our lives. This is the #1 priority. And once we succeed being on this path, we can improve the life of others, which should also be part of our priorities. So, have a lovely day, guys. We talk to you soon. Have a lovely day. We talk to you soon. Once again, what's about Friday? Big giveaways, big money on board, preparing new partnerships, preparing new stuff going around. We'll talk to you soon. Keep up the chat on Discord. Have a lovely time. Scramble coupon code for everything. Keep that